What can I say besides I've been influenced? In this video, we're going to do, I got a bag of goodies, a box of goodies. We're gonna go with another Coach goodie that I bought, charm. And I bought her because, again, the charms are in. So I bought her to go on a charm. I thought she was the cutest thing. But oh my god, look at this, y'all. She was like $78. Let's get all this plastic off of her. And she is Coach. She is real. But I wanted something that was a charm that when I'll show you the tag, it's so cute. See, because you know, to be Coach, you gotta have the tag. I gotta get the plastic off of it. If you guys can see, if I can get it off. Ooh, ooh, there we go. That was some of the plastic. You can see. Let me get the rest of this plastic off of it. So there's the tag. So cute. Let me get the rest of the stuff up off of her. It's the cutest little charm. Simply put, I'm just gonna just a cute little bag. And she's pretty big. I was wondering how big she was because my goal is to put maybe some chapstick because she's gonna be on the outside of the bag as a charm. And oh, so cute. And hopefully fit my AirPods and my Beats in here. Yes, I have both because I can't decide which one to use when I... They all... Oh, it's a bunch of stuffing in it. Let me get it out. It's going everywhere. But they all, I feel like they both have their purpose. So I use both. Let me get all this out. I'm gonna go ahead and see if they fit. So here's my Beats. And I was worried, y'all, but she fit with no problem. Oh. So if you haven't checked out my videos yet, or if I haven't posted my videos yet, like I said, I've been going through some things, y'all, this year. I don't want to get too emotional. So if I haven't posted my Naturium or Natrium, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, I apologize, but I am in love with these glosses. So be on the lookout for that video. Subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Hit the notifications as well so you'll be notified when that video comes out. But I'm gonna go ahead and put her in here. But I don't want to see, I don't like to change the form of the bag either, so my Beats are in there. Now let's see if my AirPods can fit while the Beats are in there. It's already open. And ooh, and just like that. So she'll be going on my purse just like that with my Beats and my AirPods. Really, I apologize. She got a little strapped. It's so cute to me. I plan to do a video on my collection one day so you guys can see it. I actually have a Coach book bag with this color along with one of the zipper purses that my husband got me. And here she is. Thank you guys for watching. Tune in for the next video. Again, this is all to get my rowing all jazzed up, and I'm doing an unboxing for everything I bought for her. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.